Hi everyone, my name is Ahmad Muslihuddin and today I want to tell you about one of my favorite books, The Gruffalo, The Gruffalo, The Gruffalo written by Julia Donaldson. This book is about clever little mouse who takes a walk to a deep, dark wood. Along the way, he meets several animals, a fox, an owl, and a snake. Each of them wants to eat him, but the mouse is very smart. He tells them he's going to have lunch with a scary creature called the Gruffalo. What's funny is the mouse makes the Gruffalo up. He describes him as having terrible tongues, a black uh, as having tribal tucks, a black tongue, and purple sprinkle on his back. All the animals get scared and run away. But then something surprising happens. The mouse actually meets a real Gruffalo, and he looks exactly like the mouse described. Even though the Gruffalo wants to eat him too. The mouse stays calm and uses his clever thing again to scare the Gruffalo away. In the end, the small mouse shows that being smart is better than being big or strong. I like this story because it's fun, full of rhymes, and teach us that brains can be strength. Plus, the pictures are really colorful and cute. I really recommend the Gruffalo if you love story with animals a twist at the end. Thank you for listening.